Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix a snap Google Chrome error problem on Android 2026. Okay, let's start the video. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search for Google Chrome. Now tap on Google Chrome and tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on storage and OK. Now tap on general management. Scroll down, now tap on reset. Scroll down, now tap on reset mobile settings. Now tap on reset settings. Now tap on reset. After that, now go back your home screen. Go to your Play Store, update your Google Chrome apps. Search icon, now search for Chrome apps. Now tap on Chrome apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now tap on Chrome apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.